Blocking the driveway early, but we're gonna try to grab this quick. We light these, right? I'm gonna take out every single bulb to get the shades off, so we'll take it both. Not like they're glass, they are fabric with metal wires in them, so they would probably be fine like they sit. So yeah, for sure take those today. Oh, I didn't even do my intro, did I? Wow, see how behind I am. Welcome to the channel. Good morning. It is a beautiful day so far, and we're starting it off with this. I did pick up these. It was darker, and don't really know what they are, but I picked them up. Now we got 2 lights. We got an empty trailer. Let's get out. Let's have a little bit of fun, find some good stuff, and yeah, I'll see you in a minute. I don't know about you, but every double door refrigerator we have been finding has had the convertible tops taken off. So we're gonna get this on here. Well, because it's good weight, and yeah, and we want it. See. Start with this, I guess, just because. This is an old one. I mean, even that's metal. They don't normally make them in metal no more. The plastiques. I see copper too. It's just wire. So this around into this, back around. We got a little piece of copper. All right. But I'm gonna fight with this. I'll probably have to take the drawers out, something. It's gonna go right here. I don't know what all I gotta do to kind of get it to where I need it to go right now, so be right back. Nothing too special. I did harvest the copper off of this. I still gotta cut the cord though. Got everything I needed. I left my pliers at the house to get the copper tubing off. The honeydew projects strike again. We got a good old Dyson ball. I'll get it cleaned up, give it a test, see if it's salvageable. If not, scrapyard, here it goes. Got a lot of boxes and a dishwasher. This has been kind of floating along, doing its own thing, so take a quick gander around. There's some light fixtures up here, some pieces of wood. I'm gonna have to take the wood off of, picked up the wood. I have to take off the globes, but yeah, we'll get it. Okay. I think the refrigerator is squishing the lights. Hey, scrap does not have to be pretty. Just has to be scrap. Maybe like this. Works for me. I'm gonna spend a little time, take these globes off, get them put maybe in that box. Yeah, in that box. And take these with us too. Some other goodies in there. I just got lucky, y'all. All right, yeah, I'm gonna take these off. We'll get it all taken care of. It's not as heavy as I was hoping, question mark. But then what can you expect, I guess? Expect it on the truck. They have the light fixtures. Kind of got set up. We're gonna get all this stuff apart. Kind of take a look around, see if there's anything else in these that we want. Got some wire. We'll get that in a second. Start over here. Make it easy. Keep it simple. I normally keep these, but I literally have an entire, like, oh man, it's a huge box. Probably like that fan box full of them. And I'm starting to find a few that don't quite work. So yeah. You try to take one out, try to jip it. And sometimes it works with you, and sometimes it's like, no, you're gonna have to take more than just one of me out. Alright, so pop the blades. Looks good. We'll go ahead and take care of this part. Pretty sure y'all get the concept. So what I'm gonna do is finish getting all these globes off, getting everything to where we can go cash it in for a few dollars and clean up our mess. It's the same old thing, just a different day, different time. So bring y'all back. It's probably gonna take another minute or two to kind of do the globes and stuff. So there we go. I think the trash truck's behind me, so let's get the move on. About did a boo-boo. Always look back, always. Well, we got us a vacuum. Don't know if the cord's been cut yet. You know, I see this, and there's a video that Scrappity done, and he picked that thing up, and good video. Don't want that where we're going. We got a cord. Keep them coming. That's the end. Good morning. How are you?
Fine. They had another desk, but I don't know. I guess it might have got gone. They said it was a better desk. I don't know.
And they, at least someone might have got a use out of it, you know. Yeah. And
you might could use that tarp. Cover your stuff up with. Well, it doesn't have holes in it. Doesn't look like it has any holes in this side.
I think I'm good. I got about 3 of them, but.
Oh yeah.
But
they're good to have, and they're a lot cheaper right here than they are at the store, right?
I think I spent like 45-50 bucks on mine. So
yeah.
But if you think about it, if the bird bath is in good shape, I mean, how much are those if you were to go buy one?
That's right.
So well, we had to do just a tad bit of reorganizing, put the doors where they should go. They're not on, but because we got a stove with the power cord, we'll take it. It is clean. Ish. It's definitely one of those things to where that's broke. Got a few things that's seen a little bit better days. This thing right here is fighting me. Not anymore. Want it right there. Get that before I forget it. All right, got a cooler too, but we're not going there. I have no idea what this is. Is that wire? Looks like weed eater wire though. No, it's just plastic. Man, is that gonna go as metal enough is the question. What else? Big truck filter maybe? Fuel pump. I'm not taking that. Yeah, I'll take that. But that ain't cheap if you actually got to buy them. So, I think we're set up for success to go ahead and get the grill. Then I look and I'm like, well, are we though? Of course we are. Throw in a little bit of this somewhere and a little bit of that somewhere. We got plenty of room for a grill right now anyway. Some weight to it. I'm liking it. Getting us a load for the yard, aren't we? We still got room. Still got room. We've got to give her a test before we scrap her. She looks to be in pretty skookum condition, so all right. Now shouldn't have took you apart, should I? Should just left you alone. Something that's rancid right here. God, the smell. Worry about that in a second. Right there is as good as any place, right? Gotta look at the back grill on it too. Oh, oh no, oh no. They do make a grill comb. I don't know if that's gonna fix that though. I don't know. Ooh, I'll still test it. If it blows cool air, then we'll go from there. All right, sorry about that if I'm making y'all dizzy. I think I'm seeing ghosts or something. Just the day of the fixtures. It's just a common thing, I guess, today. Oh, those are the fancy dancy ones, but you got to spin it off on the inside. It's aluminum. Sorry, what I was referring to is the rings that's holding this on. They're actually aluminum. So, that is a thing. I almost prefer the screws. All right. All right, I'm gonna pop the blades. I'm gonna get these put in there. Nothing y'all haven't seen me do 100 times by now. Not break glass. I mean, running boards off a truck's metal enough, right? No, that's all carbon. That's all plastic. I thought there would definitely be metal on it. Was I wrong? Oh well. Guess I make them out of composite. More power to them. As y'all know, we got to check them for batteries, even if this is one of those things that I do not like leaving. Oh, the battery's gone. Okay. I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. All right. I don't like leaving batteries to go to the scrapyard, or I meant to the landfill, even if it works and everything. It's just not something I like taking that risk to put a lead acid battery in the yard. My yard only pays like 10 cents a pound for them too, so they're not like super battery, you know. Might have a slight issue. Now the thing is the grill itself is not going to be that heavy. I would take the grates, but I want it all. Let me see what I can do. Be right back. They switched places, but it's on there. These are gonna be okay. They're kind of tight, really. So, other than that, I mean, yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Don't know what else we could really do. I mean, we can go vertical at this point, but. So I was pondering, I mean, this is just gonna go right on top, right? Like just right there, and then a strap maybe. Just gonna get it strapped down. We can't leave it. We're not gonna leave it. We're gonna take it. For a little bitty grill, it's got a little bit of weight. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna lay it here, and then I'll run a strap across, and then that'll kind of start tying us down. So yeah, it'll work. Some chairs. I was just glancing at where we were gonna kind of slide them, but it'll be easy enough. Should be easy enough. Like I said, I just top strap, done. Nothing too special. Umbrellage. Finally hit the predicament. So that's going to be heavier than this for sure. By the way, it is broken. Expected to fix it. Touchscreen's messed up. Blasey blasey. $500. My thought process is get this off, get that on, and then maybe the grill on top, and then strap it. Maybe. But I do want that instead of that for sure, because that's a lot heavier than this. So we're at least trading. I know that don't sound great, but with the air conditioner on the back, I don't want to mess it up anymore. So we got both on there. Straps tight. That's not coming undone. Seems pretty good to me. We'll keep an eye on it, make sure that nothing moves like it shouldn't, and we'll go from there. So yeah. All right, I know I said we were done, but can I really leave this though? Like, I can fit that on here. I mean, I know I can take the battery. That's a no-brainer. And we're gonna start putting poles in here. Just start stacking them. Maybe cut some strings too. It's a mess here though. I'm gonna get my broom, probably sweep it up, make it a little bit more presentable before we leave. I like trampolines. But anyway, y'all see the pile? It's gonna go in here. Probably gonna put the springs in there. You know, y'all get the concept. Be right back. Better? Worse? Maybe? It's the last pole. So I kind of like it because there's some real long ones, and that kind of gives me a little buffer on both sides here. So yeah, worth the stop. Now let's continue our way to the scrapyard. We're literally like right here, and now there's a pitching machine. It's bent up, it's broke. Yeah, I mean, you could probably bend it back. We'll throw that on the back of the truck. We got a little room for some things. So all right, we're here. Let's get it done. Sometimes I gotta lose a little bit more force with that to get it off. I want the back roads to kind of keep me off the main road just in case, but it rode fine. It was solid, so. Don't let me forget about the pitching machine. Guess on weight, 1,100 pounds. My guess. Maybe less though. All right, let's get this finished. I'll bring it back as soon as I know what it weighs and pays. Well, we're unloaded, and so we had 1,240 pounds. So they did go down on price. It's $8.50, $105.40. It's not bad for just going out today. Somebody said it in the comments, I can't remember, that that scrap was gonna go down. So to be expected, maybe. I mean, I guess it's nothing to shake a stick at, turning $105. Now, as far as time out, we were out like 3-4 hours, not a lot. So hey, we'll take it. Plus we got the air conditioner to test. Got those aluminum type things. I'm missing my glasses, and that's why I was missing them. They need to be cleaned. But yeah, we'll take it. I mean, there's nothing really else we can do but take it. It was a great day. We had some fun. Got some little vitamin D, some sweat equity put in, and yeah, it's just one of those things. So I do have something I am going to attach to the back side of this video. It's actually like a whole nother video. It'll have an intro, it'll have everything. It's just like a 5-6 minute video. I went out the day before Memorial Day and didn't find a lot. However, I found one item that pretty much made the day. And you'll have, if you want to stick around and watch it, hey, that's more than you. But I didn't want to really just put out a 6 minute video. So basically what will happen is it'll have its own little segment there, if you'll call it that. I really don't know what else to do with it. So, and I don't want to make it like I go out here and find $105 every day, because that's not realistic. It's not how a cookie crumbles, my friends. So I am going to attach it. Now, if the one item that's at the end of the video, so it's pretty interesting, if I can get the amount of money I think I can get out of it, that paid for today. So yeah, now I think I did break it, and I don't know if I said that in the video. I might have broke it or a piece of it, and that may affect the value to it, but I think it's replaceable. You just have to watch it if you want to. But thank you for being here. If you don't watch it, hey, thank you for making it this far. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and maybe subscribe, maybe. And we plan on hitting the streets a good bit more now that school's out. I can kind of just do my thing, school functions and doing things in school. My daughter, she's in junior high going into high school, so that's the full-time job as a parent sometimes, is making sure that you're there when they need you to be there. And I will always be there for my family. So I digress. Thank you for watching. Stick around, watch the 5-6 minutes of the following, and hey, tell me what you think. Now, like I said, it will have its own intro and it will have its own somewhat outro, and just don't include them. Just X-nay them out if you want to. And I thought about trying to cut them out, but it won't look right. Like, it won't, because when I step out of the truck, I do my intro. Thank you for joining me. Good morning, welcome to the channel. I do that, so that's gonna be in there, and there's not a real easy way to say cut that out. I might be able to get the outro out, but then I won't have an outro, so we'll see. I'll play with it. But enough of my jibber jabbering, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the trailer is, well, clean-ish. We have a chair that's going to go in. You're going to get it checked for the aluminum. Kind of taking up a lot of real estate early, but we don't know what we'll find. So, hey, you get what you get, and you don't pitch a fit. Let's give her a check. That's still all day, but let's get out here, see what we can find, have a little fun. The normal. Yeah, thought about it. We'll just grab them. Some chair action, little fun, little sun faded, not fun faded. But I guess if you can't use them no more, the fun's going too. All right, spider webs. It is truly heating up. I don't think I've ever picked up one of these electric ones. They're not that heavy. I mean, it's got a metal blade on it. That's metal. That's broke. Yeah, sure, why not? It's not as heavy as a normal one. Just don't seem as skookum as the gas operated ones, but whatever gets the job done. This is what my daughter wants for her to drive when she gets older. Does got the battery in it. Let's go get the stuff to get it out. Maybe I should just take that to her and say, here you go. Here you go. It's just great. Oh, I didn't leave my drill, by the way. Everyone said I left my drill. I did not. That's one screw. 2 screws. Camo. All right. Batteries. Got a bed frame. I've already looked through that, to be honest. But you know, we got us a bed frame. Hey, I didn't see that. All right, we need to do some karate moves here, or not. Just let it come. Let it come. Do do do. And we want this too. All right. I win. You lose. Yeah, no, I got a guy that needs some of that right now, so we'll take it down. Guess I didn't win, did I? So I'm gonna get it apart. Actually, no, I'm not. He can take it apart. If I find something else big, we'll reorganize. Don't think we will, because it is Memorial Day weekend, so happy Memorial Day to everyone. I think I got a something. I thought it was like an old computer case, but that's not an old computer case. For an air conditioner. Design certified direct vent forced air central furnaces. So that's what it's for. Anything else? There's that. Oh, that's about it. That's about it. It's good for scrap, right?
You can take the whole thing if you want.
Awesome. What is? Where's the other 3?
That's it. It's just the one.
Oh man.
Yeah.
I probably would have thought about trying to get them on my truck.
It's $600 tires. Just one. I can give you one.
I can get it.
All right.
I appreciate it though, man.
Hey, no problem.
Well, ain't that something? Well, y'all heard the man. It's got to go. So we're gonna take it. I'm gonna drag it, or try to roll it. I could try to take it off actually. Been nice if they had a full set though. At any rate, I'm gonna get it on there. You don't gotta see me struggle. Well, that's the route. It's not a great day, but the day before Memorial Day, the trash trucks aren't gonna run tomorrow. We got some things kind of leveraging against us. We did find the bracket with the tire. It's heavy. Like, I thought I could do it myself. Man, was I wrong. He helped me. We got it on the trailer. It's all great. The tire is brand new. It's don't know the backstory on it, but he acquired it. He doesn't need it, doesn't want it. The bracket is messed up, so we do have to, or need to, take it off the bracket to kind of get it to where it's a sellable item. Maybe the bracket still has some value, but where the light is, it's kind of messed up. That's probably just trying to get it to the road, to be honest. But I digress. Yeah, I mean, it's not a great haul today, but at the same time, it doesn't have to be. We got out, we tried, we did find a few things, had a little fun in my opinion, minus the tire. That was a little bit more than I thought. But happy Memorial Day to everyone, and we're gonna hit it actually again tomorrow, so these videos should come back to back. I know, crazy. Daughter's out of school, time's freed up, feeling a little bit better past the cold that I had. We got some things going in our favor currently. But hey, I thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will for sure see you on the next one. Goodbye.